Okay, so let's get started. So my name is Miguel Mello. I am an ETC at the IgnitED Labs. And in this session, we're going to be talking to you guys about Canva and Vimeo, just basically giving you guys the overview of the actual software, what it is, how to use it, stuff like that. So we will begin. Just please note that if you guys have any questions, please leave them at the end of the presentation as the session is being recorded. So just, just save them from the end of the actual presentation. Thank you. Cool. Let's get started. So yeah, basically this is how we're going to organize the information. It's going to be first talking about Canva, basic information, how to set up an account, stuff like that. What can it do, features of it, how to use it, how to sign up for it, and then with a little video demonstration. And then we have the same thing but with Vimeo instead. Again, basic information along with a demo, and lastly, just comparing the two softwares to see how they are different and how they are alike. So let's get started. So first of all, Canva. Canva is, oh, sorry about that. Canva, what is it? So basically Canva is a versatile graphic design platform that empowers users to create graphics and videos. So Canva is all browser based, so you can use it on any browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. You can go into the website, log in and make an account for free. And after making Canva, you are able to make several different graphics, such as posters, title cards, posters, title cards, any really forms of media, but also they can also do video, which is great because not only are you able to make videos, but you're also able to access a plethora of stock footage that Canva does offer. But like I said before, Canva is browser based, so you can access it through any web browser. You just type in their website, and you can log in, and yeah, you can just make an account for free, and you're able to go and start making videos. So to begin with, this is actually how the website looks. So I'm going to break it down a bit because it is a lot on the screen. So on the left there, so after you make an account and you say, okay, I want to make a video, this is what you'll be seen with or shown. So you have usually there with the Minecraft trees, it's empty, but this would be the video player. So on the left, you have just tabs where you can drag and drop different things. So you can drag and drop elements, text boxes, or other graphics or media. You can upload your own media, and then you can search through the templates that they offer there as well. So you see, search the video templates, you can do that. And yeah, and in the middle here, we have the actual video player. So you can drag and drop the media there. And on the bottom, you can go ahead and scroll and edit it and add audio if you like. But I'm going to go into that more in the video demonstration, or yeah, the actual live video demonstration. But just to give an idea of how it looks. And the biggest thing about this is that this is all very succinct and concise in the sense that it's just this one screen I need to be looking at, and you can do all types of things with just this one area. So moving along, some key features of this actual platform is that, like I said before, it's a drag and drop, so it's very user friendly. You just, if you have, let's say you recorded something and you want to put into Canva, you just drag and drop into it, and then you're able to access it, manipulate it, edit it however you want to. And then next is collaboration. So very similar to things like Google Docs or Google Slides. It's you can do live editing with an actual project. So in the middle there, the Minecraft tree example that I showed before of the UI, that was a project that I made for a class, and I had to share it with one of my group mates named Carlos, and it was very simple to go ahead and just give him access to the actual file so he can go and edit it, do his part, and I can do my part, and all live and very easy to do. Excuse me. And then next we have the templates. Let's say you're struggling to come up with an idea on how to make the actual video, stuff like that. The Canva offers hundreds of already made templates that you can pick and start editing it as you like, so you can change however you like. But yeah, these templates include animations, title cards, intro cards, stuff like that. Now, some video specific features we have, like I mentioned, the stock footage. So by stock footage, what I mean by that is that Canva offers you the ability to use royalty-free footage from the get-go. So let's say you're making a video about poverty or something like that. There is stock footage of poverty of houses and stuff like that. You can drag and drop into your actual Canva workspace, and you can use it for free. So that's, again, this is perfect for if you want to make a voiceover or anything like that. And again, these are all easily accessible through the video editor. And next, we have the ability to animate. Animating is something that's seen as difficult in the video making community because it really is. But Canva makes it very simple in the sense that you just press a button, you pick what you want to animate, and it animates it for you. So again, this is all available within the actual video editor. Next, we have actual audio editing. So a big part about videos is the actual audio editing, obviously. So let's say you have an intro song like I'm gonna have in my video demonstration right now. You have some audio you want to edit, you want to trim it, or you want to make it louder, anything like that, you can do that all in Canva. So with that being said, it's time for the demo. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing my screen real quick. Let me make sure, get out of here. Okay, so I'm gonna start sharing my screen now. Cool, so this is again, this is just canva.com. After you make an account, you can go ahead and log in. And because I used it before, I already have an account, but again, just use, I use my ASU account through Google to make my actual video or my account, sorry. So this is the main dashboard, how it looks. Now, the biggest thing is that, like I said before, they can do a lot of other things. You make documents, whiteboards, presentations, stuff like that. But obviously, we're focusing on videos today. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on video, close this. And here is the UI that I showed in the presentation earlier. This is actually how it looks. I'm gonna close this. Oh, there it is. Close this. So this is how it looks. A blank, starting off like no template, nothing. So what I prepared is I have some footage of me going through some Wireshark for those who are into tech. Wireshark is basically this networking tool that I use for some of my classes, but I have some footage of me going through Wireshark, and I want to put that on here and put an intro song on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, so in that case, I'm gonna go ahead and you click on upload, and then so these are my previously uploaded media from my other classes and presentations. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload my files. And then again, I want to do, I don't know if you guys can see my screen or not, but I'm just uploading both the intro song and then the actual video footage of me, doing the tutorial. So we have here, here's the actual footage of me recording the tutorial, and here's the intro that I want. So let that finish processing. And again, so while that's processing, I'm going to show you guys some of the actual the footage that they have for them they offer. So videos here. So again, tons of this footage is just free to use. So you can type in whatever you would like. Let's say education. They have plenty of footage you can just drag and drop into here and say, oh, let's say you're making like, oh, just having a voiceover and you want some stock footage in the background. They have it all here for you to use. So that's that. Again, that's really great and it's really convenient to have. But so actual footage, here we go. Here is me. Well, let me do it again. I want the whole thing to take up the space. There you go. So there's my beautiful mug. What I want to do though is, so on here, so this is the video player, this is actual video playing, and this is the controller for the video. So what I want to do is I want to make it start right here, kind of when I actually open up the program. That's when I want to start the actual tutorial. So in that case, I can go ahead and click on this scissor here to start trimming. And then I want to drag up into the part where the program is open. So kind of right there. So I like that. Let me double check that it makes that it's how I want it to be. Oh, it's a little, can you see my face a little bit? Oh, sorry, I should use the feature, the preview feature. Yeah, so it looks like my face is there for a little bit. So let me go ahead and, oops, sorry about that. Oh yeah, I have audio, I forgot. It's just me going blah, 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 just to fill in the void. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. It's a little bit, there you go, it's good. Cool, so I have the audio I actually want. Pause this real quick. Cool. So there you go. So I have that. And let's say I just want to talk about, or just show in the video the part when I'm actually in the program. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this as well. Looks like I stopped using the program right here. But done on that. So now I just have this part where it's just me and the program. So, and I recorded this through Zoom as well. So the actual footage of me with the program, I just started up a meeting by myself. I screen recorded what I was doing, and I just screen shared my other program. So that's another way you can get to record footage for your videos. But with that being said, I have this. I like how this looks, but I want to have an intro card to show, oh, hey, this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to click on this plus to add a page. Drag and drop it over here on the left. Now I just have this blank page where I can dump some text. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on text, add a heading. I'm gonna say Wireshark tutorial, and then a subheading with my name. Cool. So there's that. And now to kind of do the cool things like I mentioned before of the animation. So right here, right to the right of effects, you can click on animate and you can apply several different animations to the actual text. I kind of like, I like this one, I like ascend. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on ascend. Then on this one as well, I'm gonna click on ascend. So now they're both ascending, so I'm gonna play, and they're both, looks pretty clean. Let me see how long it lasts. Cool, oh, it goes away too, perfect. So that's that. And again, if you would like to edit that to see the actual, pull it up, to the actual specifics of animations, you can always remove all animations and edit them as you would like. Well, that was pretty cool. So this just gets rid of that, I'm assuming. Yeah, okay, just hides it. Okay, cool. So there's that. But now, like I was saying before, I also had intro music I want to add. So going back to my uploads and my audio, I have this intro here that, oh, real quick. Yeah, just some royalty-free music I found on YouTube. I downloaded that. I'm gonna go ahead and drag and drop it here where it says drop music. So it looks like I cut it a little too early. So again, same thing as before with the scissors, just to shorten it up. I'm gonna put that there. Yeah, it's cool. And it's just some generic intro music. So I'm going to shorten it just for the actual intro part. And then what else I want to do is I want to adjust it because it's a little loud. So I'm going to volume and then just lower it down a bit to 50. Double check. A little lower, it's still a little loud. So again, I'm going to click on the ellipses, volume, and then go a little lower, 36. See how that sounds. Perfect. And now what I also want to do is I want to do some fade ins and fade outs. So again, I'm gonna go around, let's go with, so you can see there on the line right here, this will show what's being faded and faded out. So I'm gonna do around like 1.3 and then same thing 1.3. So that's that, and I want to see how it sounds. Perfect. So there's my intro card. I have made that. And now what I also want to do is I want to add a transition between the title card and the actual tutorial. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and include right in between these two pages, go ahead and add transition and then just dissolve cool. So let's see how that looks. And there you go. And then I start my actual intro. My there's me explaining, just saying blah blah blah, but it's there. So I just want to get good. So yeah, I just want to make sure it sounds all right and not too loud, not too quiet, but that sounds good. If I want to change what's too loud, I can go always right here to change that, but that's fine. And lastly, I want to add just an outro card. So same thing, I'm gonna go ahead and just click on this. I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna do the shortcut of copy. So I'm copying, and then right afterwards I am pasting. So now I just have the two cards here. So I have the intro card and then the outro card, and I want to have the same music. So again, I'm gonna click on the actual music, Control C, and then Control V over here. So now it's over here. And I'm gonna, oh, didn't mean to do that. No, I guess I did. That sounds not that bad. Okay, perfect. So yeah, that sounds good. So I don't want it to say watch tutorial, so I'm gonna click on it again and then just say thank you for watching. Oh, not watching. Cool. And just get rid of my name. There you go. So now I have this part, and now I have. Oh, sorry. I need to introduce or put a transition there. Dissolve, and let me check that out. Yep, and let's say that was the video. There, that's my 24-second video. The preview button on the top right here. You can always click on it to see how it's looking so far. And there's that. So the intro, the fade out, the transition, me actually messing around in the program, skipping through it just to see the outro. Oh, sorry. So now I have the fade in and fade out of the outro, and thank you for watching. So, and then conveniently at the top right here, we have the download button, which you can download it in different qualities and file types. So you can just click download and you can download the actual video. So that's, oh, sorry about that. That's really it about Canva. Canva is really great in the sense that it's very fluid, easy to navigate, have a bunch of templates and a bunch of tools all ready for the users to use. And the one issue though, as I see these crowns here, and it says Pro, it's a bit of a paywall, and some other features are blocked off from the paywall, so you'd have to get a subscription to actually use some of these features. But everything I did right now that I showed you guys, that's all with the free account. So just there's that. And again, I didn't go through everything. There's a lot that kind of Canva offers, but just for the basic meat and potatoes of how to make a video, that was it. So that was that video tutorial. Again, Canva is great. It's free. Most browsers can handle it. Computers can handle it. My computer, it's a little old. It's a MacBook Pro. But it wasn't struggling or nothing, so that's great. Now moving forward. Oh, let me just make sure you guys can see my screen still. Sorry about that. Yeah, okay, cool. So here we go. So next we have Vimeo. So again, very similar. Vimeo is a video editing website, but the biggest thing is that it's a video hosting website. So think of it kind of like YouTube, that you're allowed to make videos and then upload them and publish them for the community to see if you'd like. Again, it's access through the browser. They have a website. You can just log into the website and make an account, and you can access the videos made by the community and also the video editor. And again, account creation is free. Excuse me. So this is how it looks. Very similar to Canva in the sense that you have the main video player on the right there. On the left, you have access to all the media, the presets, text boxes, stuff like that, and other elements that you can add on to there. And yeah, it's just they look very similar, but the biggest difference is that this is a video hosting website as well. So you can upload your stuff and you can be viewed by the community. So like I was saying, it's a video hosting, so you're able to see if you're wanting to make a channel or YouTube channel, but not on YouTube. You can do it here on Vimeo. You can access your analytics, see how your videos are doing, stuff like that. And just in that box, there's some examples of just some user created videos, just basic stuff like that. And then next we have actual templates again. Templates are found both in Canva and Vimeo. And the one thing though is that Vimeo is kind of a more professional website in the sense that it has more advanced features. So the templates found on Canva, or not Canva, sorry, Vimeo, they're more robust and advanced. So again, like I was saying, Vimeo offers higher quality because it's more of a video hosting website. So you're able to upload and make videos at a higher quality. So 4K, 2K, 8K, stuff like that is supported in Vimeo. Next, we have privacy. This is one thing that Vimeo is proud of, is that users are able to control their privacy settings on their own video. So this is great if you're actually wanting to make a business out of something, or you have your own little logo or company that you want to maintain. Privacy is something that Vimeo takes very seriously. And then next, very similar to a Canva, Vimeo offers stock audio for users to use and have in their actual videos. So let's say you're making a video and you need some quick audio that's free, as royalty free, and you're able to access it. Vimeo offers that as a feature. So cool. With that being said, let us get into our demo of the actual Vimeo. So this is how it looks. Don't mind honey, get rid of that. So let me go ahead and log in. Again, I made this account through Google. So I'm going to click on log in with Google and click on my ASU account. And this is how it looks. Again, it's a video hosting website, so you can see tons of other examples like I had before, stuff like that. But again, we want to make a video, so I'm going to go ahead and create. So this is, again, these are all the options to create a video. I want to make one from scratch. I'm going to create new. And I do not want to use a template. Again, these are all the templates that they offer, and they have a lot of these are also made for the phone. So let's say if you have some e-commerce website, you want to make an ad or something for your viewed on a phone. This has options for that. But again, like I said, I want to make it from scratch, so I'm going to click on the bottom, the top left there, to make it from scratch. And I'm going to just do the same thing I did in Canva, but in Vimeo to show how they're similar, but they're different. So again, I'm going to go ahead and click on upload. Again, I don't know if you guys can see my screen, but again, I'm just uploading the actual. Actually, let me double check if I have them. Okay, cool. Yeah, so yeah, I cheated. I uploaded this beforehand just to save time. But here's the video again. Just upload in the video, and then the music. You don't upload it here. You upload it where it says music. So recent-ish. Oh, I guess I don't have it here. I'm gonna do that real quick then. Upload my music. You agree? Again, this is just the same intro music I had from before, but yeah, again, we have plenty of graphics here that they offer. Pretty cool little stickers, some nice 3D text, and then a palette. This is one of the things that Canva does not have in the palette, in the sense that you can like make it so it follows a specific brand color if you'd like. There's one paywall, there's another paywall. But yeah, so let's say you want to do a specific brand color scheme, you can do it with Vimeo. And let me find the media. So stock, again, here's another more stock video. So let's say you're making like a I don't know, yeah, health. Let's say you have a presentation for a biology class. You can find some health images. So let's say you're trying to talk about yoga and how it's beneficial for some people. You can go and click on that, and it adds it automatically to your actual scene, and you can go ahead and use that how you will. But I'm actually gonna get rid of that because I'm not making a yoga scene. Oops, sorry about that. So delete that and delete that. Okay, cool. So going back to my problem. So again, I'm trying to make a tutorial, and I'm gonna do it the same way as I would in Canva. So I'm gonna go ahead and make into a new scene. Here's my big old face again. There. And again, same, very similar, the start trimming on the actual scissors, and I want to do it to the part when I start making the program. So it'd be right there. And then stop it when I stop using the program, which would be right there. Done. So this is done. I have this ready to go. And again, I forgot to mention that Canva and Vimeo, they offer services that start recording stuff that you would like. So again, here, this is an example in Vimeo. You can record yourself or your screen through Vimeo. So I just wanted to, oh, I don't believe you can record your screen, but you can record yourself through Vimeo. So I forgot to mention that. But yeah, they have the ability to start recording straight from Vimeo, and it can be processed into the actual program. But that's that. So let me check this out. Okay, so it looks like I have the audio already on there, but so if you guys can hear that, I have audio. I put the audio in on it for some reason, but I'm just gonna go to click on the actual scene, click on music, and then click on none, and no music applied. So now just my voice. So there's this. I have the actual tutorial done and ready to be submitted. Now I just want to make the actual intro card like last time. So go ahead and click on the left scene here, the gray box. Click on text, title. I'm gonna go with Wireshark tutorial. It's a little big. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab and drag it and then minimize it a little bit. Excuse me. Put it right there in the middle. Maybe right there's good. And then let me do a headline, which is my name. Cool. And there's that. I'll make it a little more similar to Canvas, a little closer. So there's that. And then to actually animate it, same thing, these three little spheres here, go and click on those, and then, oh, this looks cool. Yeah, it's nice. Here goes scale, scale. I'll make sure it's pretty cool. So yeah, it looks pretty, I mean, I think it looks cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to trim, because if you guys see, it's 20 seconds long, the actual video, and I do not want the intro to be that long. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it down to like 7 seconds. Let me see how it looks. So there's that. Actually, I think maybe too long. Here, let me see how it looks with the actual audio. So you got music, recent, intro, MP3. But the thing is, you don't drag and drop it. In Vimeo, you just click on it. So now it's applied. So see here, applied, click through to hear it. So there's that. So yeah, it sounds great. I'm gonna edit it because I don't know if you saw that, but I didn't make it all the way. So I'm gonna do like that, and then go back. Click on Wireshark, and then where it's yellow, orange is how long it would actually be. So if I put it right here, it's gonna disappear right there. But I want it to stick the entire way, so just drag and drop it, and I can do that. So I'm gonna play that. Oops, sorry about that. So now, perfect. So it looks good. Make sure the animation is good. But yeah, there's a bunch of types of animations if you'd like to. Just mess around with those. But there's that for this. So then it goes to this one, and now I'm gonna make the actual wire. The outro for that. So again, just copy and paste it. I'm gonna put it right here. Actually, can I copy and paste it? Oh, I can duplicate it. Sorry, I'm going to duplicate it. I believe so. Yeah, I can. Cool. So I'm gonna go and duplicate this. Drag and drop it behind the main tutorial. Drop it there. And now I want to say, let's go with thank you for watching. And then get rid of my name. Bring it down a little bit. And then I had the scale, right? Yeah, cool. So let's look up that. Cool. Cool. So that's that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the timeline to see the actual video of it. Let me do the whole thing actually. Can I do the whole thing? No, sorry, can't really see it. So I guess I can't, but I can go to preview here so you can see how it'll look. Oh, that was weird. Oh, here. So it looks like I'm a little quiet there. I'm going to remove this then. I don't know the music was applied as well, but get rid of that. And the volume, it looks like, yeah, so it looks like you can't really enhance or make the audio louder in Vimeo, but I'm just gonna keep it like that. But you can do with other softwares, you can increase the actual volume of the actual media, but in this case, we can't do it in Vimeo specifically. But oh, and if you guys also saw uh, the preview, the one uh, sucky thing about Vimeo is that you have this watermark on the bottom right, and that's locked behind a paywall. Again, you have to actually pay to get rid of that watermark there. But same process. You just go ahead and click on save, and then you can it would save your actual video. I clicked on it. It's rendering. So yeah, so you can go ahead and just publish it. You can save it, and then you can actually download it. Where is it? Oh yeah, but the thing is with Vimeo is that it's since it is a video hosting website, you can just share the link. It's like kind of like YouTube, like you published it. Again, this is private, so no one's else going to see it unless I want them to. But you can go ahead and publish this, and you can send in an email, stuff like that, to share the actual video. But that's the whole gist of another paywall issue. But yeah, that's the whole thing with Vimeo is that they take it seriously in the sense that you can make videos and upload them to the community, and become monetized, so you can get money from it if you want to make a career out of it, or if you want to make some tutorials or some guides for your company, your brand, anything like that. You can use Vimeo to do that. But that's it for Vimeo. Again, a great tool. It's free for the most part. It's accessible through most browsers, and you're able to do a variety of edits. Again, I just showed the basic minimum edits that you can do with Vimeo, but not to actually compare the two. So um, for Canva, again, it's seamless. It's online collaborative video editing. You can send to a partner or team member, and they can work on the same video with you at the same time. Yeah, not only can it create videos, it can create posters, graphics, and other media, and it's very easy to navigate, as you guys saw. The only thing is that it's not as advanced because again, it's not solely made for video editing. Instead, it's just a variety of different media that you can make from it. So they didn't focus on just that one thing. So it lacks some advanced functionalities. And lastly, some content is blocked behind a paywall. And for Vimeo, it's a video sharing platform. So think of it as a YouTube, just a YouTube that's more centered around privacy. You manage your data, your content, stuff like that, and it can become monetized. So that's one of the advanced features is that they want you to make videos for them, and they'll pay you for doing that. Again, if you consistently make the videos and you want to make a YouTube channel, but a Vimeo channel. Lastly, some cons is that there's a learning curve for sure because it's more advanced, so it can do a lot more. So there's a lot more to learn if you'd like. But how I see it is that Canva is more for like, oh, you quick video you want to make, 5 to 10 minutes you want to make a quick video. You use Canva if you want to make like a dedicated channel, you know, be serious about it. You can use Vimeo to actually make some really complex and intricate videos. And again, they're both all free and accessible through the browser. So again, that's it for the actual presentation. It was a big thing to just keep in mind that we're always available for help with their actual website there on the bottom there, ignitedlabs.asu.edu. Sorry, ignitedlabs.education.asu.edu. You can make a visit with us, schedule a visit with us. We can help you with video editing through Canva, Vimeo, or other video editing softwares like Adobe Premiere or audio editing software like Audacity. But thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. And I hope this helps out in any of your guys' projects. And again, feel free to schedule a visit with us anytime. Thank you.